Hi students, today we will discuss the implementation of bubble sorter. The program we will write in C. So in Turbo C++ editor I am doing the program. Now I will show the execution of a bubble sort technique. So we will include the header file stdio.h #include stdio.h. Then we will start main function. In main function we want to sort the array elements, so array variable is required, array size, array variable a, then n, I, j and temp. Before going to see this implementation of bubble sort technique in C, you see my previous video bubble sort problem solving. Then you please see this program implementation, then it is easy to understand. So CLR is here, clear the screen. Now first read array size. Read array size. So how to read the array size? First we have to print a message, enter array size. Now scanf, array size is n, so read it, %d address of n. Now read array elements. So for that first printf message, enter elements into the array. So array you can read by using for loop. I equal to 0, I less than your array size, I plus plus, then follow indentation while writing the program. In any programming language follow this indentation like this. So after open brace writing, and here single statement now open brace and close braces are optional. So address of your I. Now your array is ready. This array we have to sort. How to sort the array? Now for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, that means pass 0, pass 1, pass 2, pass 3 we discussed in the example now. So pass number 0 starting from pass 0. Now successive elements we are comparing now. J equal to 0, j less than. If you have seen my video bubble sort problem solving, so here in the first iteration largest element is placed in the last position. Next element is placed in the last but one position. In the next iteration we are not considering those elements, so we are skipping those elements, so which is n minus I minus 1. Don't write j less than n. So we should not consider those elements, so that's why we are writing that one. And then successive elements are compared now. So successive elements are nothing but a of, if a of j is greater than left side element and right side element is immediate next. So a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. Then swap. How to swap? Temp equal to a of j equal to a of j plus 1. Then a of j plus 1 equal to temp. That's all. Close your if, close your j loop and close your for loop. So now we will print the sorted array. Printf the sorted array is /n I am giving, and we have to print the sorted array now for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now printf %d as the data type is integer and give spaces between the numbers, so /t horizontal tab space a of I, and then get ch, close Save the program. I am saving the program. Bubble underscore sort dot c. Compile. One error is there. See, statement missing semicolon. So we missed the semicolon. Now compile, no errors, execute. Array size 5. I am randomly entering the numbers. See, the elements are in sorted order. In this way, you can implement bubble sort technique. Hope you understand, students. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.